Solve the equation, give the exact solution. Our equation is 5 to the x is equal to 1 over 625. So we have an exponential equation, a variable in the exponent. I'm going to take a step here and write this right-hand side with the same base as 5. Starting by saying that this is 1 over 5 to the 4th power. We can also say that that then is 5 to the negative 4th power on the right-hand side. Now, if 5 to the x is equal to 5 to the negative 4th power, then those exponents must take on the same value. In other words, x must be equal to negative 4. You can quickly check that in your initial equation. 5 to the negative 4 is equal to 1 over 625. So our solution set is negative 4.